gusto ninyo, gawain na lang ninyo kaming province, Fujian, pati Philippine province of China. Di wala tayong problema.
Ako ay Pilipino, ang dugo'y maharlika, likas sa ating puso.
82 years on, our nation remains confronted with novel challenges in varying forms and degrees, but with the same existential impact. Some portend clear and present threats to our sovereign rights and in fact have already caused physical harm to our people. Ang mga ito ay hindi katanggap-tanggap, hindi makatwiran o makatarungan, lalo na sa panahong ito ng payapang pakikipag-ugnayan ng mga bansa. Naway magsilbing inspirasyon ng mga kaganapan noong 1942 at ang tagumpay natin noong 1945 sa ating lahat. Gayon din sa ating kabataan at sa mga ating susunod na salinlahi. Tulad ng pinamalas ng ating mga dakilang ninuno, hindi tayo dapat magpasupil at magpaapi, lalo na sa loob ng ating sariling bakuran. Naway, mapagkunan natin ito ng pang-ibayong kamalayan, tapang at lakas ng loob. Higit sa lahat, naway patuloy nitong pagtibayin ng ating pagkakaisa at ang ating pagiging makabansa. We must leverage these lessons if we are to safeguard the future of our republic. The sacrifices of our heroes must galvanize us and strengthen our national consciousness, our patriotic spirit. The present-day armed forces continue this noble duty of safeguarding our nation's security and our sovereignty. And in recognition of their bravery and sacrifices, I am directing the Defense, Budget, and Finance Departments to study the existing separation benefits of soldiers who incur total permanent disability in the line of duty, to see if these are commensurate to the sacrifices that they have made, and submit their recommendation while taking stock of the national government's position. We are doubling our efforts. We are doubling our efforts to enhance their operational capability. We must therefore also ensure their safety by procuring the right equipment. I therefore task the TND and AFP to assess and submit a report on the responsiveness of the current inventory of military supplies and equipment. These measures aim to show our unwavering support to our soldiers as they face new and growing challenges. Ours is a complicated world today, but we must not yield. We must not back down from any and all challenges that seek to threaten our peace, our honor, our very existence.
Sir, your reaction upon the supposed gentleman's agreement between your predecessor and China, do you believe that the supposed agreement, the gentleman's agreement on the West Philippine Sea, do you believe that the supposed agreement placed our national position at risk in the West Philippine Sea, and if so, should the former president be accountable?
Well, it turns out we don't know. It is a secret agreement. We don't know anything about it. There is no documentation. There is no record. There is no. We were not briefed when I came into office. Wala po nagsabi sa amin na meron ganitong usapan. So we're trying to read it up to now because from the former administration, iba-iba ang sagot eh. Sabi ng isang opisyal na dating government official under the previous administration, there's no such agreement. Sabi naman ng isa, no, there is, we should honor it. Sabi naman ng iba, maganda yan. Sabi ng iba, hindi maganda yan. Hindi pa namin alam kung ano pa talaga yung agreement na yan. But, kung ay ang sinasabi sa agreement na yan na kailangan tayong magpermiso sa ibang bansa para gumalaw sa ating sariling teritoryo, at mahirap siguro sundan ang ganyang klaseng agreement. I am horrified by the idea that we have compromised through a secret agreement the territory, the sovereignty, and the sovereign rights of the Philippines. that something. We still have to clear it up. We are waiting for Ambassador Wang to come back from Beijing na Malaysia and ask to see him. Baka siguro sa pagbalik na. At ipaliwanag niya, ano ba, sino ba kausap mo? Sino ba talagang kausap mo? Anong pinag-usapan ninyo? Anong pinag-agrihan ninyo? Was this an official thing or was it a personal thing? Ano ba ito? Dahil wala kang record. Kahit saan ka tumingin, walang record. So, sikretong ginawa lahat ito. Bakit nila ginawa? Kung gagawin man nila, ba't pa nila ginawang sikreto? Nakakapagtaka ka. Kaya it's not a good situation.
Sir, do you plan to talk to former President Duterte about
We are talking to his former officials. Maybe not the president himself, but all his former officials. Tinatanong namin, ano ba yan? Ipaliwanag nyo naman sa amin. Talagang namin yung ginagawa. And we still haven't gotten a straight answer. All right. Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you, Press.